I took the dashboard to a Cars and Coffee event over the weekend. Of course, while I was there, I had the cameras rolling on the dashboard and caught a little bit of a funny incident. Now, before I tell you about it, this was not the best day to be doing a car show. It was cold and overcast and looked like it may rain at any time. So I was in the dashboard waiting for the event to be over. Now, this event was in a parking lot, before we get too far into this story. So I was waiting in the dashboard for the event to be over when I see this car start to drive by. Now, I probably wouldn't have noticed this car or thought anything about it, but the car started to drive by the car show and came to a complete stop, backed up, and then drove through the lanes of the car show, which was an interesting choice in and of itself. But then the driver rolled down all her windows, and then while she was driving through the car show, she recorded a TikTok or an Instagram or a Facebook Live, some sort of video. Anyway, I just thought this was, kind of funny. And maybe in the future, if we have another 2020 incident, this would probably be a good idea for how to have a car show. Just line them up and let people drive through and look. Dashboard out. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.